a flower. And I think I'm going to give it to ate. Yan, mas matanda ka sa amin eh. Okay. So next, we have here a color. Kita nyo pati yung background music. Related sa atin. Yes, and we have here yes, it's a dog, and I think meron tayong cute guy. Cute little guy here, so I think this is for you. Yan. This is for you. We have here a color. Orange. And we have here a color. What color is this one? What color is this one? Yes, it's a blue. And we have here yes, it's a sword. Okay, so as I've said, yung ginawa ko yung mas mahaba isa doon sa naunang sword. So we have here bread knife. Yeah, that is for you. Okay, so we have friend done. And now we have here yes, it's a bear. It's a bear! And I think this is for you. Oh, matatakot ka sa bear lately. Next we have the color orange. Yes, and this is for you, ate. And pakinggan naman kayo. Thank you. And all of our kids, so please move here at the front. We had ito, ang dami na natin mga bangko. Come on, join. Bago, wala pang gumagaya nito. Our game is what we call as the Bring Me Something game. Bagong-bago, no? Yan ang pinakabagong game. So, even all of our adults can join. All you have to do is try to bring those things na... Ito din kasama to, ah. Ito po yung isa. Okay, so you can see the prize. So, if you want to win that prize, just bring these things that I needed here. So, one. Even the adults can join, ha? Pero kids, dapat galingan natin, ha? Apat lang tayong kids. Apat lang tayo. Hindi, naman. Ito, 6. Okay, so I needed here 1 5 peso coin. Go! Go! Ba, talaga pinarir. Okay, so let's post the music. Pangalan nila. Ayan po, tatandaan nyo. Ang galing niya. Okay, ma'am, this is yours. Yan, and I wanna... You can choose your price. Huwag po ito, ah. Hindi kasama ka. Yan, okay. Bring me, I needed here 2 para mas marami tayong winner. So, for the first 2 who could bring me here at the front, 2. pairs of, may nagtatanggal ng medyas, earrings! Go! Dapat wala sa tenga, wala sa tenga, wala sa tenga. Oh, we have one. Yan, and we have two. Pakihawak lang po, ma'am. Post na si Kuya Andrew. Patingin nga po ng hikaw niya. Ba, magkano sa laangel? Oh, okay. You can choose your prize, ate. And you, patingin ng hikaw. Di ba perdit nito? Hindi, joke lang. Okay, you can choose your prize. Yan! Chape, no? Okay, for my next bring me, we will change the price. Hindi mo na ako mamimigay nito. We'll exchange the price. We won't give these things here, these toys, but instead, we were going to give you a cash prize. Di ba, mami? Di ba, mami? Di ba, mami? Yan! So for the cash prize, I need it here. And remember this, ha? Sabi rin to ni Mami, kahit ilan daw ang magdala, okay lang. Kahit ilan, so it's unlimited. To win a cash prize, I need it here at the front, 100 peso bill. Go! Music! Pakiyawak lang, stay there.
Hindi, bibigay na prize!
Hindi, mamimigay. Kukunin ko nga po kay Mami, oh. Okay, so may we get the prize? Yan. Ma'am, patingin lang po. Don't you worry about din namin yan. Okay, so we need 100 peso bill. Come on. Sendin mo na this 100 peso bill. Huwag na kayo mahiya mo. Dami mo pera. Yes. Or dito ka, join ka dito kuya. Join them. Yan. So kahit ilan. Okay, so we will count from 10 to 1. Kung sino pa yung gusto mong mabol, you can join us here. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7. Palagay natin si Sir. 4, 3, 2, 1, and sino pa? Wala pa yung engke. Wala na? So, I guess dito ko lang kuya, join them. Kuya Andrew, please pause the music.
Meron pa isa!
Sabi kong pera kayo eh. Hirap kumita ng pera.
Bakit? Bibigyan na kayo?
Hindi, balik naman po yun, ma'am. Okay, so we're going to count the cash first before we proceed to give the prize. So let's count the cash. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so let's count. Alam ko sinasabi ko, the kids eh. So let's count the kids. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aba, sobrang isa. Tubo na naman ako. Saan ba siya? Ah, nandiyan ka pala. Patay. Sayang ang tubo ko. Okay, so let's count once again, ha? The kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Patay. Sayang. Tubo na. Okay, so as I promised, I will give you a... Parang ang hina naman. I will give you a... Cash prize. Pinagtingin na talaga ni Mami. Cash prize. Okay, it's from me, di ba? So I'm going to give it to you. Yan, this is yours, ma'am. Parahabol pa talaga si Mami. Yan. Yan. Yan, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin sila because they have won 100 peso bill cash prize. Palakpakan naman. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Palakpakan naman. Thank you very much. That's the cash prize, 100 peso bill. Yes! That's true. Okay, for my next bring me, I'm going to bring persons, tao. Pero don't you worry,